In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell on a Wix free site step by step. If you've ever wanted to dip your toes into the world of online selling but feel a bit daunted, worry not. I'm here to guide you through the entire process, making it as smooth as possible. First, you'll need to visit Wix.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. Once you're logged in, head over to your existing website or create a new one if that's your preference. The next thing you'll want to do is click on Edit Site. This opens up the site where you plan on selling your products. Before you go any further, ensure that Wix Stores is installed on your website. This tool is essential as it allows you to sell physical products. It's straightforward to install, and once it's up, you're ready to go. Now direct your attention to the store pages. Here you have the opportunity to customize the pages where your customers will browse your products. Click on the product page to start managing your inventory. It's a good idea to have a clear idea of what products you'll be listing. Using the dashboard, navigate to Store Products and then tap on Plus New Product. Choose Physical Product to get started, and then you can proceed to fill in all the necessary details about the product, such as descriptions, pricing, and images. Inventory and shipping settings are crucial for smooth operations. Enable stock tracking to keep tabs on your available quantities. You definitely want to avoid overselling. Here you can input the number of units available and manage your inventory effectively. In terms of shipping, look for the settings option, then move to shipping and delivery. Set up shipping regions, rates, and delivery methods. You may want to offer free or flat rate shipping to entice more customers. Don't forget to configure your payment methods next. In the dashboard, find your way to Settings and then Accept Payments. Activate popular payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, or credit and debit card options. It's helpful to run a few test transactions to confirm everything works smoothly. Finally, publish your product. This will make your product visible on your store page. Take some time to customize the design, especially the Add to Cart button and overall page layout, so it aligns with your brand. Preview the final look, ensuring it appears exactly as you want. Once live, remember to manage your orders attentively. Every time a customer orders, you receive a notification through your dashboard. Make sure to fulfill your orders promptly, provide tracking info, and keep communication lines open with your customers. Regularly monitor stock levels and sales data to make informed decisions. Utilize Wix Analytics for insights on your store's performance and pay close attention to customer feedback. With these steps, you're all set to launch and manage your online store effectively on a Wix free site. Happy selling!